How are you guys? So today I wanted to show you my hair growth spray. It's a DIY made with Young Living products, and today I have my Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol spray. Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood is really expensive oil. It's in a lot of skincare products. It's good for hydrating the skin and hair. So I'm gonna use this, but you can also use just a 4-ounce spray bottle with water and witch hazel. So the witch hazel will help to bind the oils so that they kind of mix and spread out evenly. And then I have my rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender oils. So cedarwood, I kind of wrote down some notes. Cedarwood aids in sleep support, so it'll actually help release the melatonin in your body. And then it also adds some shine to the hair and helps the hair to be smooth. So this is a really good one to add in, and if you want to just spray this after you shower at night before you go to bed, all the oils in this will actually help you sleep a little bit better too, so that's awesome. And then lavender. So lavender supports, it's calming. It also supports strong hair and hair growth. So a lot of people will actually put this in their mascara too. Remember, only Young Living oils. Don't recommend doing this with any other oil because I don't know what's in those. These are pure, so I only trust these on my skin and ingesting and everything. So only Young Living. But some people put this in their mascara and it helps with the long lashes and strengthening the lashes, and then also helps your mascara to stretch longer. So it moisturizes it, helps it to not clump. So that's something too. And then rosemary, I ran out of my regular rosemary, so I have my Vitality one, but it's the same thing. I can use it too. So rosemary supports anxiety, actually. It helps with anxiety. It also helps with lice and, again, hair growth, supports hair growth. So, if you're using this every night when you go to bed and you're around kids or you're a daycare worker, it's really awesome to help prevent lice as well. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna open this up. I'm gonna put 30 drops of cedarwood. It's gonna take a while. And then I'm gonna put 30 drops of lavender. And lastly, 20 drops of rosemary. Another oil that actually helps with lice too is tea tree oil, so you could always add that in also to protect your hair from lice. And so now that I've got all those oils in there, I'm just gonna shake it up. So shake it up every time you use it, and then after I shower, I'll just spray it throughout my hair and kind of like at the roots, and then like rub it in a little bit. So my hair is gonna look all wet now. But just rub it in real good. And so if you're like postpartum and you're losing hair, this is great. Or if you just have thin hair or brittle hair, this will really help with that. And I'm actually gonna do a 30-day challenge with this. So I'm gonna take pictures before I use it, and then I'm gonna take pictures after 30 days and kind of show you guys what it did for me. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it and try it. A lot of people love this. Again, they call it the Mermaid hairspray, and you can get cute little labels too if you want. I'm just gonna use the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood. So hope you guys enjoy.